Hi, can you afford to retire? Do you have a financial plan that will enable you to retire peacefully, comfortably, free from financial worries? What is your financial plan? And what is your retirement plan? Many state governments are finding it difficult to pay their workers, not to talk of paying their retirees. And many state governments are actually owing their retirees years of their pension or their gratuity. That's what I'm asking you in this season of economic uncertainty. Hyperinflation, prices going up every day, food prices, the exchange rate not being or going out of control. What plans do you have for your retirement? That's why I'm excited to introduce myself. My name is Bibi and I'm known as the Retirement Queen because I have a passion to help people build and create wealth for a peaceful and comfortable retirement. If this is your dream, it can become a reality. I have put together a video presentation that outlines the strategies and tips that I share with my clients on how they can retire comfortable, free from financial worries and economic meltdown or whatever thing might be going around. If you would like this dream to become a reality, why not click on the link below to have access to the video presentation and webinar that I put together to show you how you can retire peacefully, comfortably, free from financial worries. Click on the link below. I look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you.